Today, an attorney for Zachary Holly took his arguments to the state's highest court. Now they're trying to get a new resentencing trial for Holly, arguing that he did not get a fair trial and that information about his mental health was not fully presented to a jury. In 2015, a jury found Zachary Holly guilty of raping and killing 6-year-old Jersey Bridgeman back in 2012. Bridgeman's family has told 4029 that Holly was a neighbor and considered a close family friend. The jury sentenced him to death. Attorneys for Holly appealed the sentence in a lower court, but his conviction was upheld. Now, Holly is arguing his original defense team failed him.
This is the kind of powerful evidence that would get a life verdict because it creates a causal relationship. It explains the actual offense as opposed to just saying there's characteristics of your life someone should hear about. It explains how you go through life and have these adverse events occur and have an inability to deal with them.
His attorneys say Holly suffers from fetal alcohol spectrum syndrome, which they argue impaired his judgment and ability to understand the consequences of his actions when murdering Bridgeman. They also told justices he was sexually assaulted by his brother growing up. However, the state argues that his attorneys did their job. They say that multiple doctors, including a nationally recognized neurological specialist, found nothing wrong with Holly.
Then trial counsel consulted with someone he trusted, Dr. Cunningham, who noticed no red flags and did not disagree with the opinions of the two prior experts. Then counsel hired the chief neuropsychologist from Northwestern University. He has a lab for impulsive, aggressive, violent crimes. He is more than qualified, but Holly refused to cooperate and give valid effort in the testing. And once again, trial counsel cannot be faulted for a defendant's lack of cooperation. And so that is 4 opinions that trial counsel had. There was no evidence of brain dysfunction. So counsel was not required to continuously investigate an avenue where he had found no evidence of impairment.
The Supreme Court is now expected to decide whether to uphold that decision or order a new resentencing for Holly, and that decision is expected in 2 to 4 weeks. In Little Rock, Lakira Banks, 4029 News.